Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 40 Neo and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. And now we have to scroll down again to localize the build number and keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about the developer options exclusively. So after activating, we have to go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on the developer options and then scroll down just a little bit because this option is almost at the top of the list with the automatic system update. So simply tap on the switcher and right now it is active, which simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you don't have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.